Okay, I don't think I made this space big enough. Are you mother effing kidding me right now? Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. Not no more. No siree. We are fixing the problem right now. Hey guys, at this point I shouldn't even say welcome back to my channel. I should just say welcome to my channel, because what channel? You know what I mean? I am really just going through a crisis with my channel. I have no idea where it's going. I don't know. I literally have no idea. Like, you're on the journey just as much as I am, because I have literally no idea. I haven't posted in a long time. Sorry. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Here's what I thought.
Lauren, why not come back with a bang and jump on the bandwagon that everybody else is on?
Bratz makeup. Sorry, welcome back. What do you mean I'm not connected to the internet? Alexa, what's the Wi-Fi password? Okay, thank you. When drag queens glue down their brows, do they cover them with powder or foundation first? Time to find out. Erase those eyebrows. Brow coverage 101. Cover them with glue. Brush them down. Glue. Powder. Then glue. Then foundation. I need to do powder first. Then more glue. It's taking all day. I'm gonna put more powder on top. I don't even care what the internet says. Sorry. That was a little too much. What am I doing? Okay, this concealer is garbage. No offense. Oh, whoa. That's... Hi. I'm just gonna keep it going. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage. What's that song?
Everybody say sausage, keep it going. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage.
I don't know. Remember in like middle school when everyone was like, eggs, bacon, grits, and they would like bang on the desk? That was just not a good time in my life. Anyway, everybody keep it going. Eggs, bacon, grits, sausage, everybody. I don't. I look like the famous Instagram egg. That's me. I need more foundation. I don't have any more. Oh, there's some. Oh, that is much thicker than the one I was just using. I have like a million foundations and they're all empty. Is this a sick joke?
Is this a freaking prank?
I need foundation. Are you kidding me? I just bought concealer like yesterday and I already don't have any left. And you know what? I would use this to do my eyes. I dropped it. The NYX pencil, the jumbo eye pencil crayon thingy in milk. But I used the whole thing. There's nothing left. I also had a pencil. Yeah. Anywho, time to blend, but I'm gonna spray my face with Fix Plus first because I let the foundation dry and it's all streaky. I don't have eyeliner either. Thing. Okay. Wait. I forgot what they look like. Okay, ladies, let's get started. I mean, whatever. Now, since I don't have face paint, because who just like has face paint? Probably a lot of people that did this video, now that I think about it. Oh, Fix Plus literally fixes everything. It's right there in the name. It's perfect. I literally made like face paint for myself. Oh, wow. Hit me up for all your homemade face paint needs, everyone. I got you. Okay, I don't think I made the space big enough. Are you mother effing kidding me right now? I mean, if you saw this in the store when you were 7, I know you would definitely be like, "Ooh, I want it. I want to buy it. Look how cute it is." Never mind. Just wouldn't. Here's a close-up. You probably don't want a close-up, but I'm giving it to you anyways. Does it look good from a distance?